Vivo Y36i debuts with Dimensity 6020 and large-sized battery. Vivo has already debuted the Vivo Y36 4G and 5G. These two devices broke covers back in May of this year. Now, the lineup has seen a brand new member, the Vivo Y36i. As you may have expected, the newly released device comes with a design similar to the other members of the lineup. And there are some similarities in terms of specs as well. But as of right now, the Vivo Y36i appears to be a China-only device, as the brand hasn't confirmed international availability yet. Key highlights of Vivo Y36i. While the Y36i is a budget-friendly device, it does get most of the specs right. On the front, the smartphone comes with a 6.56-inch HD+ screen. This LCD panel features a 90Hz refresh rate with a 180Hz touch sampling rate. These two ensure a fluid visual experience. Alongside that, the Vivo Y36i has a peak brightness rating of 840 nits. It's quite low when compared to flagship devices, but it's still good enough for comfortable outdoor viewing. Also, the display can go as low as 2 nits, which will lower the chances of eye strain in low light conditions. As for the camera setup, the Vivo Y36i comes with a 13-megapixels primary sensor on the back. It's accompanied by an anti-stroboscopic sensor. On the front, the smartphone features a 5-megapixel selfie shooter, which sits inside a water drop notch on the display. Under the hood, the Y36i packs the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 SoC. Vivo paired it up with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Software-wise, it boots on Origino S 3.0, which is based on Android 13. Other than that, the Vivo Y36i has a 5000 mAh battery inside, which can charge at 15 watts. Other features of the smartphone include a USB-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and 5G.